Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be what is the future of this connection. So we are asking spirits and angels, what is the future of this connection? Whatever connection you have with a specific someone, we will ask spirit, what is the future of this connection? So I have three piles here. Pile 1 red heart, and pile 2 green heart, and pile 3 yellow heart. Whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can pause the video and you can choose the pile. While I'm shuffling, you have to think about your person, your connection, and you have to pray to God or universe, okay, whichever god you are believing in. So you can pray God so that you can tune into the energies of the cards, okay. So please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. If you like my readings, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. So if you comment on the videos, then I will know that whether I am delivering the messages properly or whether it is resonating with you or not. So I love to read your comments, so please comment, okay, whatever it is. If you don't like also, you can say I mean, we are not able to resonate. That is also fine, I'll take it positively, okay. So that's all. Yeah, if you want any more readings, then you can comment in comment section, then I can do those readings in future, okay. So that's all. Without wasting much time, let's continue. Let's start the reading. Whoever chose this red heart, this reading is for you. What is the future of this connection? Whatever connection you are having with specific someone, what is the future of this connection? Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? What is the future of my pile one's connection? What is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection? Nine of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, the Fool, Five of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, and Ten of Cups, okay. Then we have bottom of the deck, Page of Swords, okay. So I can see strongly that you or your person or both of you might be earth signs like Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. One second, friends. Okay, so you both might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and that means you both are earth signs. Okay, I can see most of the earth sign cards here. So, and I can see Aries also. Then I can see very few of you will have Aries, then very few of you will have Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and very few of you will have the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but 90% of the people will be earth signs, okay. So I can see here the energy I'm getting is this person, whomever you are asking about, the connection you are having with, that person is stalking you, they are checking your social media, they are keeping an eye on you, they are inquiring about you, they are asking about you everywhere. Maybe you blocked this person, or maybe you don't have any communication with this person, no contact situation. So this person definitely keeping an eye on you. Maybe you are independent, you are free, you don't have any worries or any problems, and you are living your life, but this person, they are keeping an eye on you, and they see you as someone very beautiful, then glamorous or independent, wealthy, freedom loving person. And I can see my viewers, most of them are very independent and freedom loving person. So you don't want anyone to enter into your personal life, you will keep a boundary, you are very free spirited person. and you keep limits for everybody, okay? Because of that, this person is little scared to approach you, but what they are doing instead, because they are not able to forget you, not able to get rid of this connection, so they are keeping an eye on you. Definitely they are stalking you in the social media. They are keeping tabs. Maybe you, for some of you, you might be getting friend request from strange people, strangers, or unknown people, maybe. So that is this person only, okay? They are maybe creating fake accounts, and they are trying to contact you, approach you. They want to know what you are thinking and feeling, because they feel that you might move on, because you have everything with you, like you are beautiful, young, charming, then wealthy, okay? So you have everything, and you have many suitors, so they feel that you are you might have moved on. That's the reason this person is keeping an eye on you. And for some of you, this is like you might be a single mom, I can see, but you are very rich and very abundant. Maybe you are a widower or a divorcee. For some of you, I'm saying, okay, maybe 20% of you. So, because of that, also, this person is not able to take any decision. This person is kind of immature. They don't know how to approach you, how to deal with these kind of connections. So, simply they are staying away, and they are keeping an eye on you, and they want to take risk, and they want to come towards you. They want to everything, actually they left in God, and they are planning to move ahead towards you. Even in the past, you had a very maybe some hurts, maybe they hurted you or you hurted them. Maybe some painful words exchanged between both of you. Maybe your family insulted them, or their family insulted you. Something is there in between you. So both of you are wounded, not one person, but both of you are wounded. You both got pain, and but still you are not leaving this connection. And there are many secrets involved in this connection. You don't know what exactly this person thinks and feels, or maybe you don't know that what their family is planning, what they are doing, you don't know. But my viewers, they are independent, and they don't care. Actually, they are very kind of a fool energy. So they don't want to spying and all. They are very straightforward, I can see that. So they are not bothered, even though they are in a painful situation. They are simply they're please take it vice versa, friends. Whatever energies belongs to you or belong to your person, please take it vice versa. So that is what I can see. And you are trying to heal from the past. Something happened in the past. Maybe for some of you, as I told, single parent, single mother. So maybe they had some painful past. Maybe you are coming out of that. But definitely I can see the future. There will be equal give and take in this connection. There will be balance in this connection, and there will be beautiful family. I mean, you both will get married, you will have children, because 10 of cups is there at the end. You all know that what is the meaning of 10 of cups. So for this connection, whoever chose this red heart, for them this connection will lead into marriage, and after that you will be having children, and you both will enjoy together as a family, and you will have a life with this person itself, okay? So very beautiful reading, friends. Let's ask one more card. What is the future of this connection, spirits? What is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, so the temperance. So that means definitely you both are meant for each other. Maybe you both are twin flames, but or soulmates. Okay, so definitely you will have balance in this connection. You are divinely guided, divinely blessed couple, actually. So you both are meant to be together. Maybe in the past life you got separated, and this life you are meant to be together. Okay, this is very beautiful reading, I can say. So definitely you will have balance in this connection, and you will be together forever. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Press the bell symbol for more notifications. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this green heart, this reading is for you. What is the future of this connection? So let me keep it here. So spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection? Seven of Swords, Nine of Cups, Six of Cups, the Hermit, Two of Pentacles, Four of Cups. Overall energy, bottom of the deck, Page of Wands. Okay, so I can see here strongly you are dealing with Virgo. Your person might be Virgo or you might be Virgo, and I can see most of the people you will have the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, you or your person will be. Then some of you are Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and very few of you Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I can see, actually I can see all the signs, frankly speaking. I can see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Virgo is very, very strong here. So you might be dealing with the person who is maybe sun sign or moon sign or rising sign will be Virgo. Okay, so what I can see is this person is kind of immature person, Page of Wands. Okay, that means this person is not in a matured energy. Maybe they are age wise, maybe they are aged in the sense maybe 30 plus or 40 plus, or maybe 20s also, but this person is kind of immature, childlike, innocent person, and they are very, very passionate. Passion is more than thinking. Maturity levels are very low, and definitely they want to communicate with you. They want to give some information. Maybe you will soon get some information about this person, or maybe this person himself or herself will contact you. That's what I can see. Page means it is kind of information card. I mean, they want to communicate with you, and they want to come to you. Actually, more than communication, they want to come to you. But I'm sorry to say this person is kind of a flirt or a player earlier. Okay, in the past this person was a flirt or a player, so you left this person. Now I think 90% of the people you don't have any contact with this person, I can see. And this person is trying to move on in his or her life, but still they are looking at you because they are not able to move on actually. So they want to move on, they want to go to another connection, but they are not able to move on, even though they are walking in other direction, but they are turning back and looking towards you. They stole your heart and they want to run away, but they are not able to do that. So earlier they were like that, and now they are a little bit thinking why I met this person, what is the connection, what is this connection all about, and why I met this person. Okay, now they are thinking, retreating, they are staying away from all the social media, they are meditating, they are thinking, soul searching actually. They are gathering information about you. Maybe they are asking few friends. Maybe I can see that you both are friends, okay, childhood friends or neighbors, classmates, college mates, whatever it is. You know this person for many years, I can see. You know this person. So this person is asking the mutual friends, how is she or how is he, what they are doing, what are they up to, what is happening in their life. So they are gathering all the information, and they are trying to understand what is this connection, because they are not able to forget you. That is the problem. They have seen many people in their life, they have flirted with many people, because I can see with the Seven of Swords, I can see they are not constant person. Okay, so now they want to communicate with you, they want to come towards you, but by the time they are stuck in some other relationship. Okay, that can be really they got engaged or married with somebody, so they are stuck in the other relationship and they are not able to come towards you. But as of now they are single. That means they are free, even though they are in marriage, or even though they are in they are engaged, but they are free. That means they are not involved in this connection so much. Okay, in that connection, whatever it is, mentally they are not at all involved in this connection. They feel that they are free spirited and they are single. They feel like they are a bachelor or a spinster. So they feel that you are their wish fulfillment, and whatever the connection they are into right now, they are not at all involved in this. Maybe they are forced by family, or maybe they took a wrong decision because of the other person. They left you. Okay, they married someone else for some of you, but this person is not into that connection. They are thinking about you only. And they have some guilt also. They are not able to move on. They have that guilty feeling that I cheated this person, or I hurt this person. Okay, they are thinking a lot about you, and they are juggling with two people. That means you are in their heart, and they are with other person. So they are juggling, and they feel that you both are soulmates, and this is divinely guided connection. And you offered your cup of love to them, but they could not take it, okay, earlier, because they were too much involved in other connections. They are very sad about other connections. They are thinking about other people in their life, but they are not taking this cup of love. Universe is giving them this cup of love, but definitely this person is not able to take it, because they are too much involved into the other things. Like earlier in the past, they had lot of heartbreaks. So many people they might have cheated your person. So this person is not able to trust anybody right now. So even though you offered your cup of love, they are not able to trust. They are thinking that they are very closed off. I can say they are introvert, they are closed off, and they are not letting anybody come into their life. So that is how that deeply they got hurt. Okay, so let's ask, what is the future of this connection, spirits? What is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection, spirits? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? Okay, so wheel of fortune. So universe is saying that you have to wait for the right time. That time, this person is feeling and thinking about you. Definitely in the right time, this person will come towards you. They will definitely communicate, because page of wands is the overall energy, and combined with paired with wheel of fortune, that means wheel is turning into your favor. This person will definitely will be able to understand this connection, because as they know you from childhood, maybe from so many years they know you, and they feel like you are their family. Okay, so they have strong feelings and emotions towards you, because lot of cards are there. So that means definitely this person is having lot of emotions and lot of passion also, sexual desires and physical contact they want. If at all you had in the past, they want to have more, and they cannot forget that intimacy that you both had earlier. Okay, so the wheel is turning into your favor, and they will definitely come towards you. But I cannot promise anything like you will be married or you will be together. I cannot say anything right now, as of now, but definitely this person will come to you, and definitely they will communicate with you. They will like clarify all the things that happened between you, why they happened, what is the reason. Definitely they will give at least a clarification. Okay, that's all I can see for this pile. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell symbol for more notifications for this about my channel. Okay, until next reading, bye. Whoever chose this yellow heart, this reading is for you. What is the future of this connection? Whatever connection you are thinking about, what is the future of this connection, spirit? Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, what is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? Six of Wands, Seven of Cups, Eight of Cups, Five of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, and overall energy is the Hermit. Okay, so I can see here strongly your person might be Virgo, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I can see all the signs actually: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Very few of you might be having Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So you or your person might be having these signs in your chart. Okay, so right now this person is in hermit mode. They are trying to understand this connection. They are trying to analyze this connection, what exactly happened between both of you. And your person might be little older than you, and this person is meditating, soul searching, retreating. They are not into any social media or anything, so they are having a peaceful life, and they are having they are not gossiping or talking too much with anybody. They are isolating themselves. They are soul searching actually. So they are searching about you, gathering information about you. Maybe this person already told you that I want to be a monk, I don't want to marry. So maybe earlier this person already might have told you, because this person is not able to understand this connection. So now they are not talking to you. They no contact situation. So they are staying alone, and they are thinking about you. They are searching actually. They are asking, maybe you both have mutual friends, so they are asking everything about you. So this six of wants, that means they want victory in this connection, or you both might have already been engaged and then it broke up, or they have engaged already, or you are engaged. Okay, there is something related to ceremony or a celebration or a kind of engagement. Okay, so maybe one of you are engaged, and you but still you can't forget this person. So you are asking what is the future of this connection. But this person is really confused what to choose, what to do. They're into really a dark energy, and they don't know what to do exactly. Frankly speaking, they are struggling actually. They are not able to take a right decision, and they don't know which way to go, which direction to go, and they are walking away from this connection. I can see with Eight of Cups, because they don't have any clarity. And also I can see for some of you, this person is already engaged with the other person. So this person is slowly walking away from this connection, but still they are confused. They don't know what to do. They are planning to walk away from this connection, and they feel that there is nothing left. Okay, that means maybe some of you, maybe you are divorced with this person. Maybe you both already married, and you got divorced maybe with because of the conflicts or fights. Okay, so this person is slowly walking away, and they are going far away from you. Yeah, that is what I can see. But as of now, this person is single. They are not married as such, but still they, maybe their family forced them to do engagement, or maybe they are looking for matches for this person. Okay, so this person is standing alone. I mean, they are feeling alone. They don't know what to do, because they feel that all like everyone are enemies to them, or they fight with everybody, maybe because of this disappointment in this connection. So they are standing alone, and they have so many fights with others, but they have empty victory. They have victory in their life. They feel that they are victorious, but what is the cost of this victory? They are losing their relationships, they are losing the people in their life, and they are having a empty victory. Okay, this person is very egotistical, and they are very narcissist. For some of you, I can say this person is very very narcissist, and they might have blocked you, or you might have blocked them, because they want to continue in their own way. They want to control this connection, they want to control you, they want to have upper hand in this connection. So even though they have feelings towards you, they're simply staying far and they are looking at you, they are admiring you, they are adoring you. So they feel that they have put some uh, what can I say, they have put some seeds and they're waiting them to for them to reap. And they're patiently waiting, and they are waiting that you will come back to them, because they don't want to come towards you because of their pride and ego. They don't want to come towards you, but they are waiting for you to come. But at the same time, they are fighting with their family members also, that whatever happened between you, you are not the faulter, or they are supporting you, and I mean, behind your back they are not saying anything bad about you. So if at all you know their family or they know you, so they are defending you. They are saying that no, no, my person is not like that. He or she are they are very good. Only you created problems between us. Okay. But what is the future of the connection? Let's ask spirits, because it is not clear actually. What is the future of this connection, spirits? What is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? Okay, so the world. So universe is saying that whatever you had between between you and this person, it is completed. So the world means one cycle is completed. That means you have to move on to others. Sorry to say that, but this person is also walking away, and whatever you had the relationship or connection with this person, it is ended, and there is no chance of reconciliation, because the world card means it is a completion. So you have completed with this person, so you have to move on, and you have to choose a new life for yourself. Maybe you have to move on to different some other person. Maybe god is wishing you different things. Okay, god has planned something else for you. But I can clearly see that this person is walking away. They are moving out of the country or something like that. They are they don't want to stay near to you. Maybe a lot of burdens are there on their mind. Maybe they are engaged already, so they are definitely walking away. They feel that this connection is already ended, but they don't have any bad feelings towards you. They are supporting you behind their back, and they are talking nicely about you. There is no problem with that, and they are keeping an eye on you. They want good things to happen in your life. They are wishing good things for you. Okay. But still this connection is ended. That's what I can see. Spirits are saying the same. Sorry to say this, friends. Maybe next time we will see their energies. Maybe it will change. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications. Until the next reading, bye.